So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. Hope you all are good. After a long time we just bring back something like new and updated concept haircut, and I think so in this haircut you've never heard before. And last I think couple of years back I done it this haircut, so again we bring back the new concept after the haircut, which called disconnect layer haircut. In this, the sections are it will pretty slightly something special will be there in that, not very simple. In the first, the fringe sections we just take to the triangle, not triangle. One side it will be straight and another side it will become diagonal. And after that, this the horseshoe section, the two sections we're going to be divided in the top portions, and ear to ear we're going to be separate. In these sections, we just take the ear back little back portions to be largest section in the side by side, and the back one section we can just separate. And after that completely we'll take according to that is going to be see that complete of the sectioning how it will be taken forward over all the sections and directions. And after this I'm just going to be help up to the comb through, so I'm going to be explain. So I'm explaining to help up to the comb as well, the over direction, the side portions, and the back portion it will become to exactly 90 degree or all the vertical sections it may can just take. So before that we started to the one length basic haircut. So if you willing to like to the more videos, please hit the like button for reach towards to the more people who wants to be learn more new ethical videos. This is our every time bringing back with the ethical of new concept after the haircuts. And please follow my Instagram page and Facebook also in the mention in the description below, and more related below videos also in just description below will be get it. And we just taking to it the first section going to be half of the side going to be finished, and another side we just giving to the one length basic. After that we just start with the layering. So after that I pick from center profile. Picking towards 90 degree and all the hair giving to the complete up to 90 degree layers with vertical section, thin section I'm just taking. So remember my friends, how much thin section you can just take, that much haircut will be visible, clean and neat finishing, and that will be long last more as well. So bulk up to the hair, bunch up to the hair, it will be get distracted and the layer is never visible like finishing on it. So always try to be do with the thin sections and add layers according to the follow the guideline. And after the haircut I'm just cross checking, and I'll come to the another side. Same at the stationary guideline prick from the previous one, and rest of the hair just going to be add the same 90 degree layers. These also got finished. Now I'm going to be cross check. After that I come to the side portion. The side portion and this overlapping towards the back and over directing to the traveling on the hair. Before that I'm just giving to the one length basic. And after that I'm just all the hair slightly bringing back and just overlapping to the layers. And the two section is cut will be going to be finished. After that I just bringing forward and forward layer also going to be add now, just taking to the thin section. Before that I'm just cross checking. After that I'm just take and forward layers also I'm adding. without the compromise the length remain the same, and after the top of that I'm just creating the forward layers. After that I come to another side. That also will be remain the same. Before that I'm just going to be give it same one line basic. Now you can just see the how over directing on the hair towards the back. Rest of the hair converting in the layers. After that the same way and bring them to the forward and adding the layers. After that both the side got finished, and now I'm going to be release the crown 2 sections. In these 2 sections you can just going to be seeing different. In the front frames I'm just picking as a guideline, and rest of the hair converting it 90 to 120 degree over direction layers. Why? Because the crown portion I want to add some layers, and I want to be give it to the disconnection layers to the compact with all the sides. I'm not going to be connect with the previous hair which will be done with 90 degree layers. So this will be something it will take into the advance, and look, it's going to be layering should be all the hair to forward layer. After that I'm cross checking as doing a diagonal forward. After that I'll come to another side. Now you can just understand very clearly and simple way, and the same way the previous hair I'm just taking as a guideline. Rest of the hair I'm just going to be merging in layers. Now you're going to be taken to the guideline, you can just see very clearly. Remember my friends, whenever you do this haircut, in the back portions hair guideline should not merge, and only when we do the front forward to the feather layers, in that part itself you have to take with the forward layering to the guideline. As that also got finished, now I'm going to be release the fringe. This is straight to diagonal sections I told you as it is. I'm just taking to the diagonal sections, thin section. I'm just going to be add the fringes. I'm just taking as little bit after the over direction towards the left to the right. Why? Because I want to layers at the same time frames, and short to long frames I need to be create. So that's the regards I'm just taking as a little bit over directing and diagonal forward. I'm just taking as sections. After that I'm just creating as fringe portion in merging our layers and removing the rest of the curve part. Before the blow dry, I'm just explaining with the complete of the messy layers. I'm just showing to my client sufficiently layers should be enough or not. After that semi dry, I just showed her to the complete of the layers and messy look how it will be look like in the home. After that, it's ultimately going to give it a spiral blow dry. So after that I come to another side. So if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates and interacted with hit the bell icon. And for if you want to join with my Instagram page and Facebook page, please link in the description below. Please go and check it out there. And also more related videos also will be there. You can just get to see it over there. And after that, in the side portion, I'm just giving slightly forward blow dry, which is because the feather layers I did it, so that's the regards I'm just giving to the forward blow dry. Inwards I'm just releasing to them in spiral basis in the front form, and this another side also will be same. After that, I come to the crown portion. After that, a front frame, I come to finishing with a final blow dry. That I'm releasing to the complete of the hair. You can just see complete after the disconnection layers on the crown portions are different, and bottom layers also is different. Now you can just see there are a lot of layers, and the movement was very flexible and finishing was very clean and neat as well. So hope you all are understand and also enjoyed this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't understand this video concept, please comments me below. It's going to be direction basis. I'm explaining you very clearly. In the front basis, you can just see it's looking finishing was really good, and the top two to the shoulder length layers was different, and the bottom layers is completely different. That is the combination of the disconnection layers. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. After this, I'm going to be start with the texturing. So before that, I'm just presenting with my client to the complete of the layer cut techniques. And after the styling, she was happy and she feel like sufficient layers. After that, I'm going to give a texture. The texture will be a final finishing. After that fringe portion, I'm going to finish the last section. The complete texture is going to be finished. Now I'm just going to be final and finishing. I'm just giving up. So this is a complete of the final look. I hope you all understand and really enjoyed this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and every time you'll get the notifications for such a contents. If you want to looking forward something more tutorial basis of videos, please comments, or else you can just DM to that email also I'm providing. You can just DM to me over there, else go to the Instagram and just DM over there, and just definitely I'll connect you. and rest of the things will just looking forward, and just almost cut going to be finished. We'll be meet up to the next video with a new concept, and definitely will be inspirable haircut videos of bringing every time with a new concepts. Until, take care and be safe.